I have used many routers over the years for various woodworking projects. Over time, I have found myself continually coming back to a certain compact palm router for specific wood routing tasks. It is the best wood router I have found to tackle those smaller, but common tasks in the shop. As an added bonus, it is incredibly affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget. You don't need an expensive tool to achieve beautiful, decorative woodwork. Some best budget wood routers are available to kick up your results a notch. Number 1. Makita RT0701C. Makita's RT0701CX7 compact router model delivers precision and performance in a compact design. It features a powerful 1 and 1/4 horsepower motor with a variable speed of between 10,000 and 30,000 RPM. This feature allows you to maintain constant speed under load and soft start for smooth startups. This wood router is built with heavy-duty aluminum motor housing for durability, but remains lightweight for packing convenience. Number 2. Avid Power 6.5-amp router. Even when faced with financial constraints, the Avid Power 6.5-amp wood router proves that quality tools are still within reach. This versatile model is equipped with a 1/4-inch collet and a robust 1 and 1/4 horsepower motor, ensuring reliable performance. Additionally, it provides the convenience of variable speeds ranging from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, allowing for precise control over a variety of woodworking tasks. Moreover, this model includes practical features such as a pair of LED work lights, a handy tool bag, and a generous 12-foot cord, enhancing ease of use and versatility in your workshop. With these added conveniences, tackling woodworking projects becomes more efficient and enjoyable, even on a tight budget. Number 3. Bosch PR20 EVS router. Bosch Puerto Rico 20 EVS is my runner-up best budget wood router because it's compact, lightweight, and easy to use. This model is perfect for users with weak arms, dyers, and beginners. It has a 1.0 horsepower 5.6 amp motor and variable speed that ranges between 16,035 to 000 RPMs. Compared to other large routers, this tool comes with an ergonomic palm grip, making it comfortable to handle while working. Number 4. Enertwist ETRT710S Compact Router. Among the selection of wood routers featured in this list, Enertwist stands out as the most budget-friendly option. Despite its economical price point, it boasts a potent 1.25 HP motor and offers versatility with 6 variable speeds ranging from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM. Furthermore, it incorporates several advanced features to enhance user experience and performance. The inclusion of a soft start feature facilitates gradual acceleration, while electronic speed control ensures consistent speed, regardless of the wood material being worked on. Additionally, the overload stalling protection feature safeguards against machine stalling during operation. Moreover, Enertwist is equipped with a quick-release cam lock system, simplifying base removal for effortless adjustments and maintenance. These features collectively contribute to making woodworking tasks more efficient and accessible, even for those on a tight budget. Number 5. Wen RT6033. Wen RT6033 plunge-based wood router introduces you to larger-scale routing on a budget. It's best for carvings, and with the help of a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, you can cut through all types of wood. It also comes with a variable speed between 8,000 to 23,000 RPM for a soft start and easy operation of the tool. Intricate designs. This machine is versatile and offers both a 1/2-inch and 1/4-inch collets, allowing you to achieve smooth finishes similar to small and large routers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.